welcome to my bathroom. Today I've got a towel on the head, got the full lot going on because my makeup's just about to come off. I've never tried anything to do with my lashes before. I've got quite long lashes naturally, but I'm going to try something new today, so you're going to come along with me for this. And the thumbnail will have told you whether it's good or not. So today I'm going to try Diablo Lash Lift. And teaming up with it, I'm going to use the Eyelure Lash Dye as well, so that's just in black. The ends of my eyelashes are really light, so I'm going to give it the full LVL at home and see how it goes. I'm really nervous. Wish me luck. Has anyone ever done one of these at home? I know you can't pre-warn me now because I've already filmed this, but let me know how it went. Comment underneath, share please. Okay, it says do one eye first, so let's be sensible and follow the instructions. So you've got lash comb, pads, adhesive, nourishing oil, perm, fix and cleanser in there. Eyelure, we have got the tint developer and a mascara wand in that. So I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off in the eye area. This cleanses the lashes, so I'm going to start with doing that. Amazing how much comes off even though you think it's all off. I've got to pick a lift pad size, so one of these, there's all different ones depending on how you want it. I'm going to go with the dramatic ones, go hard or go home. It says apply a good amount of lash glue to the back, so I presume that's this bit. Ah, that's easy if you blink that bit in. But this looks comb them all so they're straight. There's going to be some lash technicians now like, what are you doing? It says apply it. And the roots only. No, I've just realised it says I need cling film. Just cut that over. Okay, so I'm going to take that off. It says remove the lotion without touching the ends. It says put this on and then wait 8 minutes. Cover it with cling film again. Okay, so now I suppose it would be at this point that you then do the next step, but I'm going to dye my eyelashes. I mean, the difference is mad already. On with the tint. So this eyebrow tint is really weird. I've not used one like it. It needs to have this and then another one goes on. You don't mix it together. The lid's just by popping on some barrier cream. This is really weird. I'm not really sure what colour's the lashes. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for 8 minutes. Right, so it says just remove this with a cotton pad. I can't understand how this is dyeing my lashes. I really can't. And then you put on the second part. Aha, that is what's dyeing the lashes. Oh, that's clever. It's like turned into dye on my eyes. Clean up any bits. Leave that for 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm just taking it off. Oh my god, look at the difference. I'm not even sure you can even see. But I'm going to do the other eye now. Okay, that is both of them done. So impressed with that. I was really scared, although I didn't show it. Hey guys, let me know what you think. If you're going to try it, if you've already tried it, let me know. So that is it all done.